Weather Service in Phoenix has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Maricopa County in south central Arizona, Pinal County in southeastern Arizona, until 9:45 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. At 8:46 p.m. Mountain Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Sun Lakes, moving northwest at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar. And Santon. This includes the following highways: Arizona Route 87 between mile markers 139 and 165. Arizona Route 202 between mile markers 42 and 54. Arizona Route 101 near mile marker 61. Arizona Route 347 between mile markers 176 and 189. This includes Arizona Interstate 10 between 162 and 188. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:45 p.m. Mountain Standard Time for the following counties: